Welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we're going to give y'all an opportunity. Um, that's my mascot. To purchase our very first bandsaw box. Actually, you're too late to be the first to purchase a bandsaw box from SC Custom Designs, because we had a customer who bought 5 of them. And so uh, this one here is made out of cedar, a 4x4, and it has African paddock handle for the wood. And you're saying, well, what is a bandsaw box? Essentially, a bandsaw box is one solid piece of wood, and from this one solid piece of wood, you are cutting out everything that you see, and it goes right back into itself. Hopefully I'm doing a good enough job explaining that. So essentially, if we pull the drawer out, you're going to see that it has a knot at the bottom. Sorry about moving the light. And then if you look inside, you're going to see the same knot. Okay, so this knot and this knot, it's the same chunk of wood. This particular bandsaw box has a lot of knots. So look at how at the bottom you can see up into the drawer there's the knot, and then it goes down into the actual base. So if you look at the side, you can see all of the rays, and you can follow the rays all the way through the block because it's the same block. Pretty cool stuff, eh? So in 2017, I started to make these bandsaw boxes. You've probably seen them along the back of my bench here, including this really handsome guy right here. So you'll see them here, there, and yonder. So we decided we're going to start selling them. Just let me know here on YouTube if you like, or go to Facebook and look up SC Custom Designs. You can do SC Custom Designs or S&C Custom Designs, and you'll find us there. We're shortly going to go ahead and post a picture of this really lovely unit. Okay, so we'll ship it right to your house. So if you're interested, please go ahead and look at this. So this is the very first one we're actually selling online. And we want to get really busy, as if we're not busy enough now, making even more. Look at this guy. He's got lots of dust on him. He's got African paddock on the top as a veneer in the handle. Okay, they're all a little bit different. Then here's the brother or sister, however you want to say, of this guy here. All right, and this is the very first one I made, and it's really unique. I'm probably going to hold on to that guy. Then I have one down here, has African paddock on it. Kind of mirrored the drawer on the top of it. All right, so these are the bandsaw boxes. There's one in its rough. You can see that we're a little farther along on this one down here, and it's just lots of fun. Then we have this guy here behind the mirror, and that one actually is already sold. We're gonna put the handles on it, and it's gonna be purple. They want it to be purple. So hey, thanks for coming into the shop of SC Custom Designs. Please, if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell. And when you hit the bell, you're going to be notified that we have a new video just uploaded to YouTube. So there it is. You can be the very first one to purchase this. Go to Facebook, look up SC Custom Designs, and it can be in your home. So we upload, we make at least 1 to 2 videos a week here in the shop. So please come by frequently and look and see what we got. We do tool reviews. on various tools that are in the shop, and we'll unpackage things like this pin gun, and we'll talk about it. This is the Ryobi. Very impressed with them. Set. Look for this review here. I haven't even turned it on yet because I'm still in what I'm calling purgatory hell in the wood shop. So at any rate, for those of you who have not ever had a tour of my shop, you're getting a real quick mini tour at the moment. All my lights aren't on. There we go. It's a little warmer in here now. If there's one thing you want a lot in your wood shop, it's lots of light. So look up that review. We did a review on that. I'm going to show you, we have like 8,000 hits, if I'm not mistaken, on this guy here. 8,000 hits. Y'all must be very curious about that. So that's called the dragster. The dragster. It is very light, very inexpensive. You're going to walk away with $55. You're going to have that in your wood shop. Look at the shape, my friends. It actually allows you to see what in the world you're sanding. What a novelty. Oh, here we are with the bandsaw, and this is where we're making all our bandsaw boxes. Primarily on our jet 14-inch. My heart twitterpated when I got this in my wood shop. And understand that we don't do this full time. We do this on the side. I'm a QA software guy in the daytime, and at night and weekends I come down and I attempt to make beautiful things like this. Thank you guys. Take care and God bless.